Yo, what's up guys? Andy here, back with another buying $1 of Bitcoin every day update. Today is day number 432. Okay, so here we are on Cash App. This is the app that we use every day for this experiment. Let's go ahead and hop to the Bitcoin tab. So Bitcoin taking a little bit of a dip today. It's currently at $6,890 and it's down about 6%. Pretty even over a weekly chart, pretty steady over a month as well. You could see an obvious rising wedge forming from about right here up. If you know what a rising wedge is, they usually break to the downside. If you don't know what they are, just Google rising wedge and it's pretty easy to spot. So we're on day 432. Let's go ahead and make our purchase for today. As you guys know, I'm doing $7 every Friday now, so one purchase per week just because of how the fees are set up. So let's go ahead and tap buy. We'll tap the dots, type in $7, tap next, scan my fingerprint. It's going to give us our order details eventually here, and then we'll just tap confirm. Just like that, we purchased some more Bitcoin. So now we're 432 days in. We've got $416.06 in here. Go ahead and do the math on that. 416.08 was the last number I saw. Divided by 432 equals a 0.96x on my investment. So down about 4%, but definitely not bad over the course of 432 days. You guys know Bitcoin is very volatile. You can go up or down 5 or 6% any given day. We now have over 0.06 Bitcoin owned, so that's pretty cool. Still moving closer to approaching 0.1 Bitcoin. You guys can see the activity right here. We took a break and then we caught up, and now we're on the $7 a week grind. But that's all for this one. Just gonna keep dollar cost averaging at the rate of $1 per day. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to drop a comment down below if you have any questions. I'll try and answer those. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this one. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.
Okay.